Hello again. We have a theme and a few add-ons to show you this month. To begin with, our theme this month is Subatomic by ZanWeb. Subatomic is notable as being the first theme in the marketplace developed specifically for version 9 as opposed to an updated version 8 theme. The marketplace price is $35. If we go to the demo site, you can see that Subatomic is a derivative theme that is compatible with the core Atomic content, as well as providing a new design with a selection of skins. Subatomic bundles some additional block types and can integrate with more of ZanWeb's marketplace blocks if you have them. Here you can see the hero image replaced with ZanWeb's background video block. Let's move on to add-ons now. Our first add-on is from Macro, or Concrete 5 Japan as they used to be known, and is a PHP debug bar. This appends a debug bar to the end of every page to show tabs of diagnostic and debug information. Think of it as a bit like a browser developer console, but showing Concrete CMS service-side information. You can click on the bar and it expands to show debug information or contracts so you can see the page. And here you can see it expanded, showing a timeline tab with details of blocks rendered and the time they took. If we go through the screenshots here, the next tab is request data with details of headers and request data. Then there's similar for session data, and particularly useful, a log of database queries and the timing involved, so you can home in on which database queries are costing you a lot. The concrete log and environment information. This is a free add-on and the source is also available on GitHub if you'd like to help add to it. I can see this becoming a favourite in many developers' toolkits. Also from Macro is Box Connector. This is a connector to integrate the Box cloud storage service with the Concrete file system. You need a Box account to use this, and once configured, if we take a look screenshot, you can open the file chooser and see an extra menu item for Box where you can search for files and select a file and then import it into the file manager. You need to be in the file chooser dialog to use this. My understanding is that once the core provides the external file source interface in the actual file manager, then Box Connector will be available directly in the file manager as well as the current file chooser integration. The marketplace price for Macro Box Connector is $50. That's all from me, so now I hand you over to Noor for the second half of the news.
Thank you, John, and hello everybody. So first I'll start with the RM Freshdesk chat widget by user Richmade. It allows you, like the name says, to add a Freshdesk chat widget to your website, which is especially interesting for hardcore client service and client support, because Freshdesk comes with a lot of nice options like ticketing and automation and different agents and things like this. So it's a pretty good tool. You will need an API key. If you don't have one, you'll still be able to see the default chat widget, which is good. This package is available for Concrete CMS 9 only, and it's free. Our second package is RM Autocomplete, also by user Richmade. It's an interesting tool. You add it to your page, and it does two things. It allows you to do a quick keyword search on a list of values you set yourself, keywords and links to go to when click on those keywords. And if nothing is found in your custom list of keywords, then it can fall back on the normal Concrete search engine. So that will allow you to offer some custom search results plus the normal website search that offered by Concrete. So it's a pretty interesting tool. It's also version 9 only, and it's $15 in the marketplace. Third package is Conditional Redirect by user John the Fish. This will add an attribute to your pages that will allow you to redirect the user based on many different possible criteria. So you will be able to redirect based on time of the day, IP address, so where they live, any number of custom possibilities that you can add. And it will also allow you to specify whether you want to always show the same page to the user once they were redirected. So for instance, say you decide to redirect them based on an attribute value on their user profile, and the attribute takes them to page B instead of A. So after that, every time they visit the website, they will see page B and not A. This can be very useful if you want to try any kind of A/B testing, for instance. As usual, John has a lot of documentation and examples on its website. For instance, here, the page redirects me according to my time of day, which is pretty useful. So this package is for Concrete 8 and above. It's Concrete 9 ready, and it's $25 in the marketplace. And last, a package that is not in the marketplace, but we believe it was important enough to discuss it now. It's by Hissy, and he created a plugin available on GitHub that allows you to convert old automated jobs that are now legacy and deprecated into tasks, which are the new way to run jobs in Concrete 9. On the GitHub page, you will be able to download it and find also an explanation on how to convert your queuable jobs into new tasks, thanks to this package. That's going to be very useful. And most importantly, it's going to be very useful to understand how tasks work, because that's not so simple. Okay, that's it for me today. So thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.